For 686 Tango X-ray Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, 016, Hawker 686.
For 6 Tango X-ray, contact St. Louis departure, good day. Station 5 Whiskey Juliet, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Wait, left, 5.
Station 5 Whiskey Juliet, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, November 395.
Station 5 Whiskey Juliet, contact St. Louis departure, good day.
Whiskey Juliet.
Here's 417 Mike, Spirit Tower, caution wake turbulence from the departed Citation jet. On course approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff at your discretion.
Left clear for takeoff and watch for wake turbulence, then Mike.
Bonanza 99 kilo, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, Bonanza 99 kilo.
Tower, clear track 290, pulling short 26 left at Alpha 2, ready for departure.
Track 290, Spirit Tower, southwest departure approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Departure approved, 26 left, clear for takeoff, clear track 290.
8707's with you, setting up for a left base, 26 left.
Citation 8707, if that was you checking in, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Us, we're just starting the left base now for 26 left, understand, clear to land, thank you.
Where do you wish to park?
Red ramp today.
Station 707, roger. Taxi to the red ramp, this frequency, be taxiway Alpha. Happy holidays.
So to the red ramp with you, and Merry Christmas to you as well.
Spirit Tower, clear track 690, holding short 26 left, Alpha 2, ready for departure.
Clear track 690, Spirit Tower, southwest departure approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Departure approved, 26 left, clear for takeoff, clear track 690.
Tower, photos 341, ready at the end, 26 left.
430 or 341 Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 26 left, clear for takeoff, photos 341.
Bravo now current wind 210 at 6, altimeter 3013. Hills 341, contact St. Louis departure today.
Departure for Hills 341.
Back 293, able to make short approach.
Negative short approach, clear check 293.
Back 293, roger, make short approach, runway 26 left, clear to land. He'll be turning inside of a Bonanza on about a 7-mile final.
Clear to land, clear check 293.
Turn right Alpha 5, taxi straight ahead to parking, remain this frequency.
5 to the head parking, we're in the target stage, clear check 293, have a great day.
Take care.
7385 Whiskey is with you on the ILS 26 left.
For 7385 Whiskey, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Land 85 Whiskey.
Whiskey, there's going to be a Cherokee doing a short approach inside of your final.
Thank you, 85 Whiskey.
Turn right, your discretion, taxi to parking via taxiway Alpha, remain this frequency.
Sorry, 5 Whiskey, one's on demand. Tower, Cirrus 3313 Hotel, clear for the visual 26 left.
3313 Hotel Spirit Tower, enter right downwind for runway 26 left. Runway 26 left, cleared to land. One 3 Hotel, turn right Alpha 6 and contact ground point 7.
Right Alpha 6 ground, what's the answer?
The number 2, following a Cirrus, short final for runway 26 left.
2, we have that traffic in sight, crew track 690.
690, roger, behind the Cirrus, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Left, clear to land, number 2, crew track 690.
264, Spirit Tower, you on? Track 690, turn right at Alpha 5 or Alpha 6, whatever you need, then contact ground point 7.
Here at Alpha 5, we'll contact ground point 7, crew track 690.
You too, take care. 264, you're number 2, following the Cherokee left base, report the traffic in sight.
Roger that, follow the traffic number 2, red lake 264.
264, runway 26 left, clear to land, that traffic now, short final.
26 left, clear to land without traffic in sight, red lake 264.
Turn right at Alpha 6, taxi to Signature via taxiway Alpha, remain this frequency.
6 Alpha for Signature with you.
264, do you recall your bases and tops at all, or any icing on the descent?
At 4, we were still above it, but then once we got that descent through, we were fine.
And do you recall the bases or tops at all?
Spirit Tower, FlexJet 328 with you for 26 left, visual.
Jet 328 Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land. Jet 328, do you remember the bases and tops at all?
I think the bases were around 4,000 feet. Or about the tops.
No problem at all. And any icing at all?
Negative icing.
Turn right at Alpha 8, and you go into Signature. 328, taxi to signature via taxiway Alpha. Remain this frequency.
Tower, Cirrus 114 Delta Alpha on the ILS, 26 left.
114 Delta Alpha, Spirit Tower, and how will this approach terminate?
Stop, and I go to the Edison hangars for 4 Delta Alpha.
For 4 Delta Alpha, roger, runway 26 left, clear to land.
6 left, clear to land, 4 Delta Alpha.
For 4 Delta Alpha, unless you're wanting to fly the approach all the way to the runway, if you want to sidestep over to 26 right, if that helps you out with the taxi, just let me know.
Stay on the approach, it's for currency, 4 Delta Alpha, thank you though.
Not a problem. For 4 Delta Alpha, continue down the runway if you'd like, and then turn right, taxiway Charlie, and contact ground point 7.
Go to Charlie, thank you, 4 Delta Alpha, and then we'll do ground.